So, looks like Apple is finally getting serious about foldables. But wait, they might just be copying Huawei for this one. Yup, Apple's latest patent reveals a brand new wide fold device that looks suspiciously similar to the Huawei's Pura X. And this isn't just a concept sketch. It's an actual patent filing showing a foldable iPhone-style device with a wide display and Apple logo shining right at the back. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The design basically splits the device in half. One side is a full display panel, while the other looks a lot like the iPhone 17 Pro's rear design. You'll see that same long rectangular camera bar on top, two lenses on the left, flash on the right, and even a tiny laser sensor, probably for the depth mapping for the LiDAR. According to the patent, this thing measures around 167 millimeters wide and 120 tall, so yeah, it's chunky, widescreen foldable. The outer display is said to be 5.49 inches with a punch hole camera and a super slim bezels at just 1.3 millimeters. That's tighter than most of the foldables we've seen so far. Now, Apple didn't mention whether this will be the first iPhone foldable or a completely new product line, but one thing is clear, the design screams Pura X vibes. Remember, Huawei launched the Huawei Pura X earlier this year with that 16:10 wide display, running Harmony OS 5.0 out of the box and powered by the Kirin 9020 5G chip. So it seems Apple's taking some inspiration from Huawei's playbook here, but adding its own premium twist. And to be fair, Apple is trying to innovate in one key area, the hinge. The patent mentions a new hinge mechanism built with the Amorosware metal glass composite material. That's Apple's fancy way of saying it's built to be ultra durable while minimizing that annoying crease in the middle. So yeah, Apple's foldable journey is starting to take shape, and from the looks of it, the company isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, just refine what's already out there. Would you buy a foldable iPhone if it looked like this? Or do you think Apple's just too late to the foldable game? Drop your thoughts below, and I'm really curious to hear what do you think about it. As always, I will keep you posted guys in the next one. Peace out.